The GL5 by Klarus is a firearm-mounted flashlight with an integrated handle. This handle makes it very useful for tactical scenarios. It's a 1200 lumen flashlight, fires up to 270 meters. It has 4 modes: high, medium, low, and you hold down for 2 seconds and it goes into strobe. The first configuration I'm going to show you is mounted to this tactical shotgun. I have an underneath Picatinny rail set up. The GL5 is so easy to mount. All you do is twist this knob to loosen up the Picatinny mount, put it onto the Picatinny rail, and then tighten down the knob. Once you have that snug, you're ready to go. To release it, all you do is unthread the knob, loosen it up, remove it from the Picatinny rail, and you have a handled flashlight. It's pretty cool. Next, I'm going to show you how to mount it to a rifle. Same exact kind of scenario. Loosen the Picatinny mount, put it onto the Picatinny rail once you have it where you want it. Once you have that knob tightened down real good and it's on there snug, you're all ready to go. To remove it, simply loosen the knob, slides right off. The GL5 by Klarus is a great tactical use flashlight. It can be mounted to a shotgun, it can be mounted to a rifle, it can be used in home defense, military, police situations, SWAT situations. This flashlight at 1200 lumens is great for any scenario that you can put it through. It's extremely durable. This thing handled a shotgun blast by a 12 gauge from 25 feet away and still worked. It was incredible. I was impressed. All right, so as you can see, it took quite an impact. Let's see if it still works. Oh, all the modes still work. Look at that. Even the screen is cracked, but the light still works. You can see it's all cracked in there from the impact. This thing took quite an impact and it still works. Look at that. Pretty cool. And there you have it, the GL5 by Klarus.